Okay, well I thought we'd have a quick look at this variable transformer, or Variac, because there's quite a few of you who asked quite a few questions about them, and we'll have a look to see what's inside it. It's quite a straightforward device. What we do here, this is our neutral, yeah? 240 goes in there. That magnetises that core like a transformer. It's like a toroidal, so it's an iron core, like a donut. So once it's magnetised, then we can tap off of it, which is this centre bit. If I show you the brush pickup, yeah? Sorry about my camera work. But there's the brush. Alright, I've got a vacuum cleaner attached to that, so you can hear it. That's 240, and then you've got an overwind. That takes it up to 270. This transformer is about 15 amps. The sad thing is, having taken that top off, you can see I've been giving it a bit of abuse. That's the 240 volt point. So it's been quite a current drain on that, because it's actually taken the lacquer off the windings, which is not good, it's got hots. And right up here at 270 there's a bit of arcing, so that really needs a bit of a clean up, so I'll get a good contact. But with one of these, as I've said, like any voltage you like from 0 to 270, they don't isolate from the main, so you've got to watch it, because even 110, which would be halfway round roughly, that is reference to earth, so it will go to earth. So you know, an RCD will protect yourself on one of these. Yeah, as I say, 15 amps. It's not a great deal. I could do with something much bigger, because I'm sure, you know, that has had quite a bit of abuse there, but it still works. And there it is in detail. They are easy to wire up as well. Obviously there's one up here as well, which I'm sure you've seen me play with. There's the little wiring diagram, so you can probably work that out. That's the same Variac. Look at that, that's naughty, isn't it, leaving it right up like that. That's a bit naughty, but there we are. I hope that helps. Catch you later. Some of you guys, right, have noted that my Variac has a 400 volt sticker on it, and indeed it does, because it kicks out 400 volts. Normally a Variac can't do that. It will kick out 275 if the voltage input is 240. But today, right, I'm going to show you and share my knowledge. I'm going to show you guys how to get 400 volts or 415 volts out of a standard 240 volt Variac. That's the sticker which you guys frequently have noted. Right, so when you've popped the top off, normally on a Variac, this is your 0, right, or neutral. Live goes in there, your 240. And this is your wiper, that's the variable output, that one. And this section here allows you to go from 240 to 270. But what I do with a ballast, it's crucial that you use a ballast, a 700 watt ballast or a 1000 watt ballast. Alright, same thing, I put 0 volt there, neutral, but I put 240 on this centre tap. Alright, so I've got 240 there instead of there. So all of this section now becomes step up. So I'll end up with 400 volts, or possibly a bit more on that. Obviously got to use a ballast. Now the transformer makes noises, but obviously it doesn't get hot because the ballast restricts the amount of current. So now we'll have a look. Right, so now I've got 240 going in that Variac, 0, and the 240 is going on the centre tap via a ballast. And at the moment, the ballast is about 1000 watts. The Variac's not getting hot because obviously the inductance on that Variac absorbs that and it's not pulling any current. So at the moment that says 0.6 volts because the Variac is on its lowest settings. Now I'm going to turn the Variac and see the voltage going up. 50 volts or 52 volts. At halfway, I'm at 240. Now this is where it gets interesting, because now I've got all that overwind. 300 volts. 400 volts. 450 volts. Right, but seriously chaps, I don't often do that, alright, but sometimes it's just there if you need it. And if you do it, watch it, because if you flash them windings over, you'll be crying, as I say. Do you think we ought to put a CFL on it and pop it, see if this can take 400 volts? Oh, be rude not to, wouldn't it, eh? Right, interestingly, that CFL's come on at 89 volts. Now let's start cranking it up. Right, that's just about normal. Just checking you can still see that display. Right, now I'm going to go way over the top. Still using that Variac. Soon done that in, didn't we, eh? So you can't beat the old-fashioned light bulbs. Much better. 250. That was good. Got an arc in now, got to get some more. Good old Variac. Alright, one more. Right, so here is the Variac wired up correctly, as it should be, once again. Neutral, in and out. There's our output, and now the live is going in there. So I've just got 240 to 270. Simple as that. I'm not using that centre tap now, so it's all back to normal. I think I need a bigger Variac. Right guys, today there's probably going to be quite a few videos coming up, so keep watching and I'll catch up soon. Thanks for watching.